wash our hands before we cook. So, we have to get them very, very gentle, like this. And then we do it like this and like this. And then we put it on a dough and get some more. Now we do this, get some more dough, and then we need to get some. So we do this, and then we press it all up, and then we put it right here, squeeze it, and we do this. Now we put this on, it's a little bendy, so we put some flour on it, like this, and we push, and we push, until it's all flat enough. Now, we put some flour on this and first, we need to really put this on and swirl it around. Put it right here and we do like this. We need to dry a little so we get it paper on the surface and we gently do it like this. And this, and that, and that, and that, and this, this, that. Look, man. Now we push it in the dough. Now we do that.
Yeah, shake the flour off it. That's a girl. And then we go over it.
We go over, then we press it. Press.
Yeah.
Until it's all done. Old Saint Nick.
It is.
In the sleigh. And Old Saint Nick's very good. She tells if we're naughty or nice. Well, this is Angeline Cooking Show.